What's going on, guys? Today I am unboxing and installing the coolest dome light I have ever seen from a company called Lit Lights. They don't sponsor me because no one watches my videos, but Lit Lights, if you are watching this, sponsor me to see more of your products. So I got this. Now you guys remember I was complaining about my red dome light, and I went to Walmart and they didn't have any. So I was just on Instagram, just like cruising through, and I saw this Lit Lights company. I just clicked on it because I like lighting things, and I saw that they had like a changing color dome light with 6 LEDs on it. So I'm getting barked at. So it got like 6 LEDs on it, so it's really cool, I think. So now I can actually change the color to whatever I want while also keeping it red, because I like the red, but if I drop something, I can turn it to white. So here's the packaging. And yeah, I guess I'm just gonna open it up. Now it comes with 2 of the lights, which is kind of pointless for me because I only have 1 dome. But yeah, so here's the light. I guess it's nice. And then here's the remote it comes with, which is a little bit bulkier than I would have thought. It's actually pretty big. It doesn't come with batteries. Lit Lights, what are you doing with your life? Nothing else in the box. So it's just you have 2 dome lights. So I guess if one breaks, which is kind of off-putting. And they are like, you can see they have a lot of sizes on there, so you can get vehicle specifics. But yeah, here's the remote. I mean, just got your colors and it's got different modes and shit. So yeah, I guess let's install it. Except I need lunch first. So I'm gonna take you guys along to get me some lunch because I have some errands I gotta run before I install this. I'm also gonna have to go get AAA batteries because this thing doesn't come with batteries. So yeah, we got some things to do now. Been a struggle the last few days with all the snow. Been hard to drive around. You're getting up there in miles, boys. I just love when you get a phone call when you have like 2 things planned out. Now I have like a billion things. You gotta love that feeling. So I'm gonna run to my grandma's because she needs a few things. And then I have to go to the store so I can get my batteries, and she needs groceries. And then I can go to Taco Bell because I want an enchilada. If they have anything like an enchilada, because I don't go to Taco Bell very often. And then I'll go home, and then I'll install my dome light. Pretty sure that I have like the slowest like Taco Bell KFC in the area. This place is just so slow. I want to talk. And that reflection though. Oh yeah. So I got the rattlesnake burrito from Taco Bell. I'm gonna say it's pretty good, but I'm still hungry after eating just one thing. I'm gonna actually just go back because I just went to the store and it's literally right there in the same parking lot, so it's convenient. But I bought my batteries, so I'm gonna make it so you guys don't have to wait anymore for this install. So to pop this out, all you need is something like a little bit sharp, and you just put in like these little like slits. So I have a knife, and if you just put it in there, I might need to move your mirror a little bit. It's hard to do this with one hand. I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, but that's what you do. You just kind of pry it out. It's really easy. Take the glass out, and your bulb is right here. You just take that out, and that's my LED one. So I'm just gonna change it out, and I guess I can kind of show you what it looks like. Kind of place it in there, and then you get your glass, and you put it in like this, and right now it's set to blue. So with the remote, you know, you just press your button, and it changes your colors, which is pretty cool. It's got all these like features on here too. So it's like a flash. Can you speed up the flash? There's strobe. I guess strobe would be. Now we got party lights. We got fade. They're supposed to fade colors, but it's not doing it. And then we got smooth. Smooth don't see very smooth. And then you have all sorts of preset colors you can do. I think it's really cool. Except the white looks like a blue. So I think this is kind of a cool thing. Then you can even turn it on and off with the remote, which is actually really cool. Which I don't see the purpose of that, but whatever. So I like this a lot. I mean, I'm gonna have to show you guys at night, but I do go to work. So I guess after I get off work, I'll show you guys. I like having the red on, and this one you can change the brightness and everything too, which is pretty cool. So I guess I'll see how bright it is. My last one only had 2 LEDs, one has 6. I'm not sure if it's 2 per color, whatever they do. I don't know how they do this, so I'll find out. I should be able to record at night now a little bit better with this. Again, I'm not sure how bright it's gonna be at night, but that's why we're gonna test it out at night. But so far, I think it's really cool. I can change all the colors I want with it because, yeah, it's fucking badass, right? So I got this dome light from litlights.com. It was $20, and that is including shipping. So the shipping was like $4 or $5. I think it was like $14. It might have been $6 for shipping. But so far, I mean, it does what it does. I will definitely show you guys at night after I get off work. I'll just bring my camera to work with me so you guys can actually see what it looks like at night. So yeah, next time I see you guys, it'll be at night. Take like 3. Hopefully this is warm enough now. So with the red light, this is what it looked like. But with the press of a button, you guys should be able to see me now, so I can actually record at night, which is a huge thing because I wasn't able to do that before. But now I can just change whatever color I want. Thanks to Lit Lights for this awesome light. Sponsor me. I'm thinking about getting maybe a GoPro or some sort of camera mount so I can actually record in-car stuff or out-of-car stuff. I can just use the suction cup mounts. You guys should definitely let me know if you guys think that'd be a good investment for me to do. I just hope you guys can actually see me now, because that's why I bought this light. It's definitely a lot, even the red is a lot brighter than my last one, because this one has 6 LEDs, the other one only had 2. So far I am like super ecstatic with it. And like, it's got all sorts of these cool modes too. I could put on a flashing mode that's gonna give me a seizure, and then I can do all sorts of color changing sort of whatnot. So I think it's a really cool thing. So if you're looking for an interior dome light, but you don't want like just a solid color, litlights.com. I can try to contact them, and hopefully I can get some sort of discount code for you guys. I'll try my best. But the thing is, it probably won't come through for this video, so probably the next video I can probably get you guys one. I'll try, we'll see what happens. But $20 shipped for a light with 6 LEDs and this much functionality, I think is definitely worth it. So yeah, usually I make 3 videos out of this. I usually do an install or unboxing, an install, and then a review, but this video is gonna be really short with any of them, so I gave you all of them in one. Yeah, this video is probably gonna be super duper short, and I do apologize for that. It was just in a dome light. There wasn't really much I could do for it. I just hope that it actually changes like quality of my video, so when I am driving at night, you guys will be able to see me. Otherwise, I gotta think of something else. But I think this should be just fine, so we'll see. I am currently looking at a few other parts for the car. I have to start getting into savings mode though, because I do want to get these wheels before the summer, and then I'm also moving to Florida in the summer, so I have a lot of saving I gotta do. So there's 2 more parts I am planning on getting before that, maybe 3, I haven't quite decided yet. So we're gonna try to get some new parts coming in here pretty soon, so content should be, pick up, be a little bit more exciting than it has been with me not doing installs and whatnot. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on what goes on. All right, this is pretty much all I have for you guys today. I haven't edited the video. I'm assuming it's gonna be like mad short, so I apologize for that. Yeah, it's just a light with all these fucking cool features though. I found out that if you're on like strobe and you press up the thing, it strobes even faster, and that's pretty cool. So, I'm gonna leave you with the normal. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, do all the fun shit. Let's do all of it, please. We are starting to get close to our 300 goal for March already, which is absolutely amazing. I think we're at 226. It's Tuesday right now. I upload this on Wednesday, so I'm about 226 right now. So we're almost halfway there, and the month's not even halfway over. So we're reaching our goal. So far, so good. If you guys could please share, show your friends, and watch to the very end of my videos, I would mad appreciate it. It just helps me out in the long run with all this YouTubing thing. But yeah, just comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun shit. Keep doing you guys. Just, you're gonna have haters, and sometimes you just gotta say fuck the haters. So keep doing you guys. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.